Thank you for watching Rage Gaming YouTube channel. Welcome into the channel. This is a really short video explaining the Community Online Tools map tool. After you have installed the game and blah blah blah, got all that necessary stuff done, come into the game and press End to activate your tools and Y on your keyboard to open them. Navigate to the map. Here you can scroll out or in. Your name in the player management is already checked, so your name shows up yellow like this. Since you are the one looking, if you uncheck your name in the player management, your name will show up red. But if you have someone else's name checked, they will show up yellow as well. If other player names are not checked, their names will show as a bright green when you zoom out and find the other players on the map. On this map, if you double-click, you will teleport yourself to wherever you double-clicked. If you have DayZ expansion mods and a different mod that doesn't belong to expansion but has the name and works with the expansion mod called Expansion Map Markers PvE, PvP, then you can see markers on your map or this type of line if you set up the Expansion Map Markers PvE, PvP mod. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. See, that was a quick video. This is video 4 of 11. Check out the other videos to learn more. Thank you for watching Rage Gaming YouTube channel. Like and subscribe.